आइए सुनते हैं बिना रैप वाला रीमिक्स।
ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान।
सॉरी 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 सॉरी।
I want to say a few words about Vedant. 50, going on 25. With an unending zest for life. And that's how I can even begin to describe Vedant. This vibrant personality of his has been the most endearing event for me ever since we met more than 23 years back.
Oh boy, where to start? Left speechless. वो चेहरा, वो आंखें, वो अंदाज़े बयां, वो चेहरा, वो आंखें, वो अंदाज़े बयां, तुम हो तो लगता है ये जहां भी जमा।
तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही।
हाँ जी बादशाह, की देख रहे हो तुसी? चलो शुरू हो जाओ। 1 2 1 2 3 4।
रूप तेरा सोना, सोनी तेरी पायल,
रूप है मेरा सोना, सोनी मेरी पायल,
कह रहा आंखों का काजल, इश्क में जीना मरना। Say shawa shawa, mahiya say shawa shawa, mahiya say shawa shawa, mahiya say shawa shawa. Yeah.
रूप है मेरा सोना, सोनी मेरी पायल।
अले
कदमों में सांसें वार दे, रब से ज्यादा तुझे प्यार दे, रब मैनू माफ करे, रब्बा खैरिया हाय मैनू माफ करे।
तुम तो मेरी जिंद मेरी जान वे, मेरी तू ज़मीं है आसमान वे, तुझ बिन मैं की करा, रब्बा खैरिया हाय वे मैं की करा।
Good girls like to party like the bad ones. Drop it down, shawty, let me bag some. Good girls like to party like the bad ones. Drop it down, shawty, let me bag some. Good girls.
दुनिया दी सुने दी ना बहरी जवानी, मस्ती च मस्ताई जहरी जवानी। दुनिया दी सुने दी ना बहरी जवानी, मस्ती च मस्ताई जहरी जवानी। रातों के इरादे से क्या बचना, मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना, मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना, मैंने तो तेरे नाल
lights go.
होने दे रात सुहानी, देखो पुरानी ना हो ये जवानी। होने दे रात सुहानी, देखो पुरानी ना हो ये जवानी। चलता जवानी पे कोई बस ना, मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना, मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना, मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना।
तू मेरा जाने मन मैं तेरी महबूबा। हो मुस्कुरा मुस्कुरा हमें तुम क्यों डूबा Living, we are living, dancing, we are dancing for the people we love.
Rama ho ho ho, Rama ho ho ho, Rama ho ho ho, Rama ho ho ho।
मैं नाचूं, तुम नाचो, जितनी तुम प्यार से जी लोगे उतनी ही जिंदगी।
Rama ho ho ho, Rama ho ho ho, Rama ho ho ho, Rama ho ho
हो दुनिया में लोगों के मेले आएंगे जाएंगे। हो यारों से मिलके हम झूमेंगे झूमेंगे गाएंगे। Shining stars are shining, singing, yeah yeah singing for people we love.
Rama, Rama, ho ho ho, Rama ho ho ho।
नाचो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा, मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा। मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा, मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा। जब यार करे परवाह मेरी, मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की। जग मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी, मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की।
तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही। Every time, every minute of the day, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही। तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही।
दिल की तख्ती पर हूँ लिखती इश्का इश्का। जग क्या जाने दिल को मेरे इश्का किसका। लग यार गले ले सार मेरी, मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की। तू जीत मेरी जग हारी मेरी, मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की।
तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही। नहीं होश तू मुझे थाम ले, तुम्ही हो
feel, wanna breathe, wanna live it. Well, is it true that your love is a blessing? I just wanna feel, wanna love, wanna breathe it. Living it all out, I got no religion. I just wanna feel, wanna love, wanna breathe it. Is it on now? Is it on now? Get it on now. It's a showdown.
Oh my darling, oh my darling.
You ain't never seen a bad girl on the street, living it up, we in a one-down city. You ain't never met a bad girl like me, living it up, head on a gun so pretty. Could you fall in love with a girl like me? My baby tough, you got a red machete. You ain't never met a bad girl like me, living it up, head on a gun so pretty. Oh God, oh God, oh God, when it all goes down, I'm gone. Oh God, oh God, oh God, can you hold me down? So you got my love to take, don't give if you want it all. Oh God, oh God, oh God, can you hold me down? He's so gangsta, one down the city. Cold romance, say he's my Da Vinci. He's so candid, I'm his devotee. He's so gangsta, run down the city. He's so gangsta, run down the city. Cold romance, say he's my Da Vinci. He's so candid, I'm his devotee. Baby, just come down and get me. He's so gangsta, run down the city. Cold romance, say he's my Da Vinci. Baby, just come down and get me.
Oh my मैं नाचूं तब तलक तू बोले जब तलक मैं नाचूं तब तलक तू बोले जब तलक है थोड़ा बेसुरा पर दिल में ताल है इसको हम नाचने से टोके कब तलक मैं नाचूं तब तलक तू बोले जब तलक मैं नाचूं तब तलक तू बोले जब तलक तब तलक जब तलक
नचा आज मैं शुक्र मना के सोने यार तो नजर मिला के मैनू लोड़ किसे दी कोई ना सारे जग दी लाज बुला के
चल मूड बना के सूफी थोड़ी कर ले बेवकूफी चूल्हे में जाए मित्रा दुनिया भर की मसरूफी पैरों को पर लगने से रोके कब तलक मैं नाचूं तब तलक तू बोले जब तलक मैं नाचूं तब तलक तू बोले जब तलक बहकी जवानियां जैसे बारूद है देखे उठते नहीं है शोरे कब तलक मैं नाचूं तब तलक तू बोले जब तलक मैं नाचूं तब तलक तू बोले जब तलक That's right. Oh, looking where Punjabi hai. Let the worries fade away. Oh, chak gilasi. Let my brothers drink today. Oh, chak gilasi. Oh, let the worries fade away. Oh, chak gilasi. Let my brothers drink today. Oh, chak gilasi. जादू कर गई ओ मेरे ते दसा मैं किन्नू नेड़ शराबी जीत यारो पी गई मैनू वल्ला हाय 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 Ain't nobody chasing my heart too वल्ला हाय हाय Ain't nobody chasing my heart too Show
चन्न भी तेरियां सिफतां करदा तारे पागल हो जांदे ने पतलो बन के अक है फिरदी बिजली बन के साडे ते गिरदी कॉकटेल तो वध के जरूर है मत्थे ते जेड़ी लट है गिरदी Hey, this friendship ain't meant for just a drink or two we together I go each I you wallah hai ਐਨੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਨਿਕਲੀ ਕਿਉਂ wallah ain't nobody chasing my heart too
better than that. I only hear the front. What about the back? 1, 2, 3. Much better, ladies and gentlemen. Please pay attention towards the door as we introduce you some very, very special people. We'll start off, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise for grandparents. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Arun, Hima, Adi, and Kana. Come on, make some noise! Alright, next we have from Philadelphia, Christine, Nihal, and Vania. Come on, make some noise! Philadelphia in the house, come on, make some noise for Philly! Alright, next we have children, Arush and Aryan. Come on, make some noise for the children! Couple, make some noise! Alright, before we do that, I want everybody to clap, 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 clap. Oh yeah, come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome our beautiful couple, Rashmi and Siddharth. Come on, make some noise.
देखा है क्या उसका सपना दिल क्या है
everything to look beautiful tonight. Come on, make some noise! All right, we have a very, very special performance by the family just for you guys.
When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera.
मेरी ज़ोहरत भी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझसे कुर्बान मेरी जान, मेरी जान। ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरत भी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझसे कुर्बान मेरी जान, मेरी जान।
He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा।
तुझे प्यार दे रब मैनू माफ करे, रब्बा खैरिया हाय मैनू माफ करे।
She Ka Bhi Gum Part 2. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, last call for the appetizer. Before that, we have one more performance.
So I just want to say Wish you a very happy birthday, Bhaiya. And what an amazing, amazing milestone that has been for you and Bhabhi. And we are so happy to be a part of it. You know, I was just going to say that words won't be enough to express how much it means to us, your guidance, yours and Bhabhi's guidance in each and every part of our lives. And I just want to say that we are so incredibly blessed to have you guys so close to us. So cheers to today and cheers to life. And I hope this one's for you, man. Happy birthday.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। एक बार सब लोग मिलके बोलिए जय श्री राम। आज के इस विशेष आयोजन पर आप सब लोगों के आने का बहुत बहुत स्वागत, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आज प्रातःकाल ही हमारे दोनों बच्चों आरुष और आर्यन का उपनयन संस्कार हुआ। वहाँ भी आप सब लोगों की उपस्थिति थी, बहुत अच्छा कार्यक्रम हुआ। अभी भी आप सब लोग आए हैं, इस कार्यक्रम की शोभा आप लोगों से ही बढ़ रही है। सुबह बच्चों का उपनयन संस्कार हुआ और अभी हम वेदांत और रश्मि के 50वां जन्म दिवस मना रहे हैं। हम लोग ईश्वर की दया से वी आर प्राउड पेरेंट्स कि हम लोगों को ये दिन देखने के लिए मिला। एक पेरेंट्स के जीवन में सबसे बड़ा अवसर अच्छा तब आता है जब उनको उनके बच्चों के नाम से जाना जाए, और ईश्वर की दया से आज हमें वो अवसर प्राप्त हुआ कि लोग हमें हमारे बच्चों के नाम से जानते हैं। और ईश्वर की दया से वो अवसर भी बहुत शीघ्र आने वाला है जब हमें हमारे नाती पोतों के नाम से जाना जाएगा। We are very proud to have Vedant as our son-in-law. In fact, he has never acted as per law. He has always been a son. Rashmi and Vedant both, they are very laborious, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग हैं, विद हाई लेवल ऑफ डिवोशन, डिटर्मिनेशन एंड डेस्टिनेशन। रश्मि के डिटर्मिनेशन की एक छोटी सी घटना मुझे इसके बचपन की याद आती है। शी वॉज 6 or 7 years old। मेरे एक बैचमेट थे, हमारे बहुत अच्छे मित्र, फैमिली टर्म्स से आना जाना था। एवरी संडे हम लोग एक दूसरे के आते जाते थे। उनकी बेटी रश्मि की एज की थी, सेम क्लास में पढ़ती थी। एक दिन हम लोग उनके घर गए तो उनकी जो बेटी थी शी वॉज ड्राइविंग ए बाईसाइकिल वेरी प्राउडली, देखो मैं साइकिल चलाना सीख गई हूँ। तब तक इसको साइकिल चलाना आता नहीं था। उनके घर से लौटे, इसने घर पे आके अनाउंस कर दिया, अब जब तक मैं साइकिल चलाना नहीं सीख लूँगी उसकी शक्ल नहीं देखूंगी। एंड शी डिड इट विद इन वीक और 10 days उसने साइकिल सीखा, बिल्कुल बढ़िया अच्छे चलाने लगी, नई साइकिल ली उसने। और नेक्स्ट टाइम जब वो हमारे घर आए तो उसको नाश्ता पानी कराने के पहले उसको साइकिल चला के दिखाई। तो ये सब बातें बच्चों की याद आती हैं, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है हमको। सबसे अच्छा लगता है मुझे यहाँ देखकर, मैं पिछले कई सालों से आ रहा हूँ, हमारे बच्चे जितने अच्छे हैं सो हैं, उनके मित्र उनसे भी अच्छे हैं। मैं तो यहाँ जब से आ रहा हूँ देख रहा हूँ सब लोग इतने प्यार से, इतने रेस्पेक्ट से मिलते हैं, मुझे लगता ही नहीं कि ये मेरे परिवार के लोग नहीं हैं। तो सब लोग ऐसे ही रखिए अपने बच्चों को, परिवार के लोगों को, मित्रों के साथ ऐसे मिलते जुलते रहिए। हम लोगों को यहाँ आके बहुत एनर्जेटिक फील हो जाता है। वी गेट रिचार्ज आफ्टर कमिंग हियर। ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आप सब लोग ऐसे ही रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, प्रसन्न रहें, मिलते जुलते रहें। वेदांत और रश्मि को बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद आप लोगों की तरफ से भी। भगवान सबको खुश रखे, प्रसन्न रखे। जय श्री राम। अरुण
वैसे तो मुझे कहा गया है गाना गाने के लिए, लेकिन मैं एक सेंटेंस बोले बिना शुरू नहीं करूँगा। लाइक माई फादर सेड, as much as I am proud of my sister, I am even more proud of my brother-in-law. Life has been ups and downs over the past decades, and this one guy has stood by me strongly and forever. Thank you, Vedant, and thank you, Rashmi.
Just wanted to add one more sentence to it. I think Vedantji, Didi is superb, she is great, she has helped us a lot. But Vedantji is the one-man army. Any problem, I asked my husband to call, Vedantji को call कर लो, वो बता देंगे आपको solution. So he is the one-man army of our family.
For their coronation on the throne, one song which I have done since a long time and is my favorite, Mohammad Rafi Sahab. So please, Hari ji.
बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की, पुकारता चला गली गली बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की, पुकारता अखियाँ सलाम की, यही तो बात हो रही है काम की। कोई तो मुड़ के देख लेगा इस तरह, कोई नजर तो होगी मेरे नाम की। कोई गली बस एक छानो ज़िंदगी, बस एक निगाह प्यार तुम्हारा। सुनी मेरी सदा किसी से, हवा करके आखिरी ज़मीन में, यही लगन के आखिरी जवान, असर भी हो रहेगा हसीन का। गली बस एक बस एक निगाह प्यार
तो हेलो गाइस, गुड टू सी एवरीबॉडी हियर। आज ही के दिन में वेदांत भाई का इतना ज़्यादा नमक खा लिया कि रोज करने का मन तो नहीं है मेरा, बट सच में बोलना पड़ेगा तो बी रेडी। तो आप लोगों को इनवाइट मिला होगा कि इट्स वेदांत एंड रश्मि's golden birthday, okay? So let me tell you the reality. Vedant, while Rashmi was pregnant, he had put on some, you guys understand sympathy weight? He had put on some sympathy weight. So she is just returning the favor, she is doing some sympathy aid stuff here. Okay? So if you really look at it, she has outsourced all the aging to Vedant. Okay, so लिख के लाया पकड़े इधर आ जाओ। So all kidding aside, Vedant is a gem of a person. He is extremely charming, highly knowledgeable, handsome. ये आगे क्या लिखा है? एक तो इसकी राइटिंग इतनी गंदी है ना, काम हो गया बैठ जाओ। So by his own admission, you know, growing up, he at a very early age, you can confirm, very early age, he knew he wanted to be a doctor, right from a very early age. But he was too cute at that time. He thought the only qualification needed to be a doctor is to have a bad handwriting. And he worked really hard on it. And it shows, obviously. तो बाद में जाके पता चला कि नहीं, पिकल बॉल भी खेलना पड़ता है। तो मैं कुछ भूल जाता हूँ, फिर मेरे को याद करना पड़ता है क्या भूल जाता हूँ। You know, when you meet Vedant for the first time, or any time actually, there are three things that stay with you. Okay? The first thing is the confidence. बंदा एक तो 6 फुट के करीब है, ऊपर से डॉक्टर, वो भी ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन। हमारे कॉन्फिडेंस की तो वैसे ही हिली रहती है कि ये ले जाएगा, जॉब पता नहीं कब ले जाएगा, उसको पता है कोई इसका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता है। तो अलग कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है। और उसका भी कॉन्फिडेंस है कि 10 साल पहले से मैं पिकल बॉल खेल रहा हूँ जब तुमने नाम भी नहीं सुना था। तो इज एक्सट्रीमली कॉन्फिडेंट। सो दैट्स वन थिंग दैट एंड यू कैन आस्क हिम एनीथिंग, मेडिकल नॉन मेडिकल, जवाब आपको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट मिलेगा वेदांत जी से, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट। Sahi ho, na ho, it doesn't matter. You will get a response. That's why I was listening very intently to your speech. You will get a response. इसको मैंने बोला यार थोड़ा भागने में मेरे को थोड़ा सा without even checking anything, like old age arthritis हो गया तुम्हें। मैं यार कुछ देख तो ले, नहीं old age arthritis। कहता है कि यहाँ फील करो, तुम्हें क्रिस्पीज मिलेंगे, राइस क्रिस्पीज मिलेंगे यहाँ मिल रहे। वो इतनी कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलता है कि तुम्हें राइस क्रिस्पीज मिल भी जाते हैं। तो एक तो कॉन्फिडेंस। The second thing, if you haven't noticed, all of you, probably 90% of you, will know which college he comes from. Because he will tell you in every party 5 times which college he has studied in medical from. Oh, you know, maybe you need to come. Of course. Sorry observation. No, AMU. So you will know. So, but he will tell you. The moment you start forgetting, another party will come and he will tell you again. Okay, so that's the second thing he will always stay with you. That he is from Aligarh Muslim University. And the third thing, most important thing that will stay with you is his laughter. It is absolutely infectious. The way he laughs, he makes it's a riot. It's a riot to be with him. So Vedant Bhai, you know, with all the good qualities that you have, it's always a riot to be with you. And in any handwriting, you're awesome, man. You're awesome. Actually, one thing I wanted to, because it's both Rashmi and Vedant, I want to make sure I give some advice to Rashmi also. So, you know, I know you played this well, the whole age sympathy stuff. We are not going to fall for that, so we know you are not 50. But he actually is 50 today, and 50 is a very tricky age, right? They say naughty at 40. He has naughty with 10 years of experience. Okay, so he's like a 10-year-old. So just be aware of that. Alright? Thank you guys.
Alright, if somebody else would like to say a few words, you may come. Alright.
So guys, every practice has a secret ingredient. Okay, some have marketing, some have technology, some have systems. Our secret ingredient is Dr. Vaksha. So after fixing thousands of spines, shoulders and knees, there's one thing you could not fix, is his age. Just age, that's good.
Anybody else like to say a few words? Would like to have children, please come to the stage.
Hello. So first I want to thank all of you guys for coming here today to celebrate my dad's 50th and my mom's 50th, so round of applause for them.
Why please?
So, although my dad thinks he's 35 the way he plays football, growing up, no matter what the question was that was asked of us, he was someone that whether I needed help with school or rides with my friends, sometimes even advice, he was always there. One thing I've always admired about him is how much he cares about our family. No matter how busy life gets, he's always there when it matters most. He works hard, supports all of us, and somehow manages to put up with me, which honestly deserves some kind of award on its own. As I've gotten older, I've realized that some of the things I used to take for granted weren't small things at all. The rides, the advice, the sacrifices, the countless things he did behind the scenes to make life easier for everybody, those are the things that make a great father. And they're always things I'll appreciate. Thank you, Dad. Also, when I tell you that I smell smoke, take me a bit more seriously next time. And for my mom, Joe. To my mom, although you don't want to admit it, it's almost your 50th. But hey, on the bright side, people do tend to say that you look like you're in your 30s. So you're doing something right. You have always been the absolute backbone of my path in pursuing my dreams. I'm always making sure I'm doing okay, checking in on my grades, even being overprotective as all Indian moms are. One thing that I can never get over is your determination. You have probably been the most determined person I have seen so far. You not only are able to take care of me and my brother, which already sounds insane, but were able to keep that up while studying for your board exams and even during a trying job transfer, where everything was absolutely alien to you. Thank you so much to the both of you, and many wishes for your success in the future.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming here to celebrate my parents' 50th birthday. And I know it's crazy as their 50th, you know, and it's surprising how young they look given that they had to raise Aryan over there. So, yeah. I was of course the best kid. I gave them 0 stress lines at all. But, you know, seriously though, I'm super happy that we're here to celebrate their birthdays. I remember so many times we just like skip over their birthdays, go to a dinner, or maybe on their anniversary they wouldn't go out, get to spend the night. So I'm super happy that we're here to celebrate their moment for them now. For so long, they've put their lives on the back burner and prioritized giving us a better future and giving us the opportunities we've had. I mean, back in, you know, when I was just freshly born, they moved straight to the Middle East and they could have lived there, having a great life, having very nice jobs, but then after my brother was born, they left all of that to come to the US and struggle for 3 years. And then again, when they were in India and had great jobs, had everyone taking care of them, their family all around them, they left again for the US just to give us better opportunities. And yeah, it was very rough at times, but I'm super happy that they did what they did and very grateful for them for that. I must say though, sometimes it has kind of backfired, the fact they're enjoying their life now, because sometimes my dad will be in the living room on the couch, just like reclined back, doing his notes, dictating them, and I'll come up to him and I'll be like, just hinting like I want something from him, and he'll be like, okay, so, what's that my problem? So, it's great, but also not good. Nonetheless, I'm so happy to see everyone gathered here to celebrate, and thank you all so much for coming, and happy birthday to my parents.
So, if Harry, you want to say it, I think some other people look like they want to say something. So, either say something now or forever hold your peace. Okay. Alright. Now, Anant has set a precedence. He gave his speech without looking at his phone. And if it was some other time, I would do that too. I pride myself on my memory. I could recite a 2-page speech in school, but today my brain is totally fried. We had 2 events back to back. I did memorize my speech, but I don't want to miss a word because I put a lot of thought and all of my emotions into the speech. So I'm gonna look at my phone. And I'm going through the revisions, so. Alright. We're here, and I want to say a few words about Vedanta. 50, going on 25. with an unending zest for life. And that's how I can even begin to describe Vedant. This vibrant personality of his has been the most endearing event for me ever since we met more than 23 years back. And mainly because I share the same life perspective and goals. Versatile is the one that is uppermost in my mind when I try to describe him. Be it delving into finance or, apart from medicine, or starting to play pickleball in his 40s and acing it, as many of us here will concur, or trying his hand at yoga and Pilates with me. He has proven himself to be multi-talented over and over again. Another way I would describe Vedant is pragmatic. You give him a problem, life situation, challenge. He will find a way, not only to deal with it, but also solve it and make it better and easier for everyone else in the future. The biggest instance of this is when our house was burned down. I can never forget the moment when I saw my husband and kids walking out of the house, engulfed in flames. The house, not them. But they were barefooted and empty-handed, but safe and sound. And before you know it, within 24 hours, we had moved into temporary quarters, we had rented a house within a week, and we had bought our own house within a year. And all of this strength, endurance, his hard work, his decision to never back down, this calls for the greatest quote of all times from Bhagavad Gita. Karmande vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phal hedurbo ma sangosta vikarmani. And I'm going to translate it for those who don't know Sanskrit, especially our kids and younger generation. Focus on your efforts. Detach yourself from the outcome. Don't focus on the outcome. Focus on the efforts. And never ever choose to give up. And we have done this. We have strived and succeeded. We both have spent more time together now than we have with our parents and siblings. And we not only respect but support each other. We complement and complete each other. We have tried to infuse the same qualities in our children, and they have always made us proud, made our life richer and fuller every day. It is such a beautiful coincidence that Vedant's birthday and Father's Day this year are back to back. The perfect moment to celebrate the perfect husband, life partner, and amazing dad. Vedant's mom and sister could not be here today to celebrate this moment, but I'm sure they will agree, including his dad from heaven, that he's the most awesome brother and son as well. We are so blessed, however, to have my parents, my brother and his family, Vedant's brother and his family, with a 4-month-old child who's crying in the background, but they are enduring it. And all of you friends, our big extended family here, to celebrate this special day with us. Happy birthday, dear hubby. And a million cheers to life, to love, and to my partner in crime.
I'm not going to break the tradition of not using the phone. Oh boy, where to start? That's speechless. Part of the reason I'm always on my toes is you, Rashmi. Always up and about. Always up and about. I just have to try to keep up. Turn a very simple person with simple goals into someone who I am now. Rashmi brought in life, beauty, finesse, and direction. Upward only. वो चेहरा, वो आंखें, वो अंदाज़े बयां, वो चेहरा, वो आंखें, वो अंदाज़े बयां, तुम हो तो लगता है ये जहां भी जमा. Thinking ahead is her thing. ये दिल मांगे more is her motto. Agreeably, we have spent more time together with each other than anyone else. Rashmi not only keeps the family together, she brings in love and joy. Otherwise, we all boys would be just like robots, minding our own business. You are high maintenance. But. Because I like maintaining you. You complete me, right? Together we have gone places, lived and worked together in various settings before finally settling here. With exceptional friends who are now family. We are very delighted to have you all as a part of our enjoyment now and ever. We also have traveled a lot together actually. We have traveled from Indore, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Rochester, Akron, Cleveland, Michigan, Delhi, back to St. Louis, Richmond, finally entering into Long Island, Melville, and then Jericho. Ended up finding so good friends here, we've decided this is our home to go. Also, I would like to really praise Rashmi here for her dedication to the family by telling you that she's really worked hard more than I have actually. You know, she did her ophthalmology in India, came back, came here fellowships. Then she decided, no, that's not enough. I have to get board certified. She got onto neurology. She used to travel 3 hours every day for 4 years to the city and coming back to complete the residency. And after that, got into Northwell, but then for some reason, she had to go to St. Louis for a year. She flew almost 45 flights in a year. She was there 4 years, at home 3 days, 4 days, 3 days, and she did that for a whole year. Now we are good place, we love that, and I think it's all friends, wishes from the friends, you know, Ashirwad from the parents and all the elders here. I'm thankful to our parents here, my mom in India, my dad in heaven, for making us who we are today. I would also like to thank and appreciate our kids, Arush and Aryan, for putting colors in our lives for the last 20 years. They moved with us through all this journey in life. We wish them all success in their life. Also thankful to Arun Bhai, Bhabi, Adi and Kanak, Shitish, Nehal and not the least, Vanya Varma, our newest heroine here. Yeah, there she is. For coming here to be a part of our enjoyment here, part of our celebration. Thank you everybody, and thank you for being here with us.
Hey, no, I'm going to keep it very simple and quiet. सब फिल्म दिखाने उनके सामने रखो. This is called maintenance. उनकी ड्रेस के साथ फोन का भी मैच हो रहा है. So lovely both of you. कोई प्लान स्पीच नहीं है, but I start with the back benchers. 1 second, back benchers. Just stay with us for 30 seconds. Sorry. Vedant ने एक लाइन बोली थी. Selfishly, I picked up that line. When he moved to Jericho, we found a Nagin. When he moved to Jericho, we found a Nagin. ये नाव कब से वेट कर रहा था इस Nagin? We've been so blessed, and I am not talking on my behalf. All of us here. आप जान हो, दिलदार हो, मतलब गदर हो, and just sexy हो. Too good. And the way you feed him, to keep him all energetic, beautiful. Thank you for being part of all our friends here. आपके बिना दिल लगता नहीं है. बच्चे हो या बड़े हो, सब कहते हैं वेदांत साहब को एक बार स्टेज पे ले आया करो. You keep us so much energy in check. So I would like to do a quick toast. Guys, if you have anything on your table near your hand, please raise the glass, fill it with water, whatever it is. Please do it. I'll give you like 5 seconds to get it up. It's a token, please, everybody in the room, adult, kids, fill it with something. It's just an enjoyment of a lovely couple and a handsome young 25-year-old kids. Guys, may I have everybody's attention? Let's have a beautiful toast to a beautiful friend and a lovely couple. Vedant, we love you. Rashmi, we love you. To first half innings and the second innings to go above and beyond. Love you. Be young forever, happy and the lovely you are. Cheers, guys!
This is a song which is dedicated for this particular moment. So I hope you guys like it. सांसों में बड़ी बेकरारी, आँखों में कई रंग जागे, कभी कहीं लग जाए दिल तो कहीं फिर दिल ना लगे। अपना दिल में जरा जादू आ गए इसे ना जादू कर रहा है, जादू कर रहा है, ऐसे चुपके चुपके मगर चुपके जैसे कोई बात नहीं, सब कुछ नजर आ रहा है, दिन है जमात नहीं, क्या है कुछ भी नहीं है, होते हैं खामोशी में बातें कर रही है, चुपके
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, let's make some noise for a beautiful couple. All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please sing along, sing along. Happy birthday to you. Everybody, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One time, let's make some noise for a beautiful couple. We need all the family and friends on the dance floor. Punjabis in the house.
तुझे जैसे छत्तीस फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं बिकती ना तो सोनी वे मैं पेट हो गई हूं मुंडिया मैं पेट हो गई हूं मुंडिया सुन के तेरे टुकड़े हो गए चश्मा मैनू कर 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 कर
Party people, if you're having a good time out there, make some noise! All right, you party animal. We have a special request by the staff. Dinner is being served. If you wish to eat, please help yourself. Once again, food is being served. Please help yourself.
लड्डू हमको बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की तुमको जय हो
पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी लाख रोका था यारों ने के ना कर तू मनमानी सुन